Hey guys, it's Danae. I'm here in my kitchen and I'm getting ready to make the best soft bake cookies. So stick around for more on these awesome treats. The purpose of these cookies is to make them not only soft, but also flavorful and enjoyable for my family and friends. In order to do this, the key ingredient is instant vanilla pudding mix. I hope you try and enjoy this delicious recipe. Be sure to click the like button and let me know your favorite cookies in the comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more fun videos.